Hi, welcome to the next part of our video course. This time we will create an online consultation section with an image, heading, description, and a button. The button will lead people to Calendly, which we will set up, so your clients can book an online consultation over Google Meet. Let's get started. Let's start by opening the editor. Scroll down and click on the plus sign. Select two columns and click on the section to edit its settings. On the Style tab, let's select the brush icon to add a background color and select the background from the global colors. Next, let's add an image widget on the left column and a heading and a text editor to the right column. To center the vertical alignment, we can click on the bar on the top of the section and from Layout tab, select Middle from the Vertical Align menu. Next, we can go to the Advanced tab, change the unit to percentage, and add 2 for top and bottom, and for padding, also 2% for top and bottom. Now the layout looks okay, so let's create an illustration for this section. As it is about online consultation, the picture could be a portrait of a vet. Let's give some stylistic details, change the aspect ratio, and click Generate Images. Okay, the first one looks fine, so let's use that. Let's give the section a proper title and write the description for the service. You can, for example, copy the short description to AI and simply ask it to make it longer. Let's see what we get. This looks okay, but a little too long, so we can use the text and edit it. The first line can stay as a subtitle, and we can change the content to talk about pets instead of humans. The last sentences are not necessary, so let's cut them out. For the last item on this element, we want to have a button, and we can scroll up to copy that from the Hero section. With right-click, we can copy and paste any element in Elementor, just like we did before. This works, by the way, on different tabs also, if you're working on 2 pages. This button is not for WhatsApp, so let's change the text and remove the link. Save changes and open a new tab and type in calendly.com. You can use Google, Microsoft, or the custom email we recently created. Click on the sign up with email, give your address, and then your details, name and password. John Doe seems too easy, so let's go with John Smith. Much better. Agree to terms and conditions and hit continue. Next, we need to confirm our email address, so let's open mail.ovh.com, give our password and log in. Here we can see the email from Calendly and confirm the email. Follow the link and type in your password. Click continue, and on this screen you can choose a custom URL for your business. Then we have a chance to connect the account with Google Calendar or similar. Let's continue without Calendar for now. And note that the free version of Calendly does not allow collecting payments, so I would keep the hours short and only available during the work week. Let's say between 1 and 2 in the afternoon. Click continue and answer here whichever option fits you the best. I'll go with other. Now the meeting is created and we can open the cogwheel to edit the page. Let's start with the title, like Vet Online Consultation. Next, we can edit our default connection and select which calendar we want to connect with Calendly. Select your Google account and go back to write the description for the service. The first line is enough to explain what it is, and on the next lines we can give instructions to people so they know how to use the booking system. Change the event link if you want and select a suitable color. In additional options, you can edit the questions and add more questions to get more information. Here's one simple example that will help vets to prepare better for the consultations. Hit apply. From the settings, you can also personalize email confirmations, as well as the cancellations. This works quite similarly like Amelia Booking for live appointments and sends emails to both the user and provider every time a booking has been made. We can save and close without any changes. From the top, we can test the live page to see how it looks. Now, just like Amelia, we first pick a date, then the available time, and give the details. As you can see, our custom question is also displayed to collect more information. To finish, the user can hit Schedule Event to see the confirmation, and now we can also check the email to see that Joanna Johnson is going to ask our vet for some help with her bunny. Nice. Then we want to link the button from our new homepage element to Calendly. To do that, we go back to Calendly and click on the link icon on the top. This copies the URL and we can go back to paste the address to our link field. Hit update and let's go check from the top menu if our link works. Hold down Ctrl key and click View Page to open the page in a new tab. Now I notice that the button still has the WhatsApp icon, which we can remove by clicking on it, and from the icon settings we can click the first button to get rid of it. Okay, once more, let's see if the link works. Yep, seems to work, so let's make another booking for an online consultation with some imaginary name and description. In our email inbox, we can see that the function is working properly. If you connect Calendly with your Google Calendar, you can see that the bookings can be seen there, and you can also see the details of the booking, along with the button to start the Google Meet. Very convenient. Great. Now we also have a function for future clients to book online consultations, and we can move on to the next section. Had you any problems or questions about setting up Calendly? Come over to our Discord server to ask for support. See you in the next video.